Now I'm speaking with Antonio da Costa from Airbus, and thank you for speaking with me. Congratulations on your new role.
Thank you very much.
But I want to talk to you about your previous role.
Thank you very much as well.
Okay, so the thing that I'm intrigued about is what appears to be, well, not appears, I think it's a fact, that there's a surge upsizing.
Mm-hmm.
The 320 has now been eclipsed by the 321 in terms of orders and deliveries.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Not total program numbers yet, but certainly in the last couple of years, the 321 is vastly outselling and out-delivering the 320. And we see something similar with your competitor. Can you help me understand where is this coming from and what does this mean?
Yeah, you're absolutely right. For instance, last year, 2024, the 321 share of the 320 family orders was 80%. And this really is showing that the market is looking for the higher capacity module. Now you'd say, well, high capacity and so what? It's the high capacity with a low unit cost. And this has been the key driver of the success of the 321 and actually of all the stretched aircraft that we have in our family, be it also in the 330 and the 350 as well on the wide body front, which is customers looking for low unit costs, still with efficient and flexible platforms. And the 321 delivers it all. You've got a low unit cost, which is the lowest in the market in fact, but you also have the platform that can give you up to 4,700 nautical miles range with the XLR version. So you don't have to even make a compromise. You can fly far, you can fly well, you can fly efficiently.
How long does that go on for? I mean, at what stage do we find that single aisles need to become more than a single aisle?
Well, I think the real question is, how can you get more efficiencies out of the platform? And where do you need to then jump to the next one? Today, what we've been able to find with the 321, and similarly, for instance, on the other end of the spectrum with the A350-1000, is that having the right, I would call it platform, the right wing, the right engine empennage, allows you to stretch the aircraft to the point that it really becomes unbeatably efficient. That's the kind of asymptote level at which you have the best package. Then jumping to a next one, well, then you need to find something which delivers a big jump in value on top of that, because then it means adding a new fleet type, with all the extra training, spares, you name it, infrastructure, sometimes even new airport gates, you name it.
So Antonio, at what stage does the wing and tube run its course?
Now you're asking me at what stage shall we see a blended wing body?
Well,
or something else? It's a brilliant question. The jury is out. Nobody can really say at what stage it is. It's true that wing and tube have been delivering outstanding results to the industry. One simple statistic that I like to quote, since 1990 to today, the industry has been able to generate the same, or the RPKs with 54% less intensity. So we've run down the fuel burn per RPK by 54%. And all thanks to developing further and further the wing and tube configuration. So this has really been giving lots and lots of value to the industry. Going to a next step, obviously we at Airbus look at other ideas. Up until now, the wing and tube have been the best ones we've been finding, but that's not a reason for stopping. That's why we also invest quite a bit of money into developing R&T concepts, looking at future concepts.
thank you.
Thank you.